What if I told you a human could stand on Mars and still not explode? But here's the terrifying truth, then you wouldn't survive even 30 seconds. Why? The answer lies in something invisible, the atmosphere. Mars has almost no breathable oxygen, only 0.13%. On Earth, we rely on 21% oxygen every single second. Step onto Mars without a suit, and your body starts shutting down instantly. First, you try to breathe, but there's nothing to inhale.
Within seconds, oxygen in your blood begins to drop.
You feel dizzy, and your vision starts fading.
And then, unconsciousness hits faster than you expect. But here's the hidden fact. Your body won't explode. Hollywood got it wrong. Pressure alone isn't enough to make you burst. Mars has low pressure, but not zero.
It's about 0.6% of Earth's atmospheric pressure.
That's too low for your lungs to function properly.
Even the moisture on your tongue would begin to boil.
Not because of heat, but because of low pressure.
Your body would still hold together, but it would fail silently.
So where exactly does this happen? Right here on the Martian surface.
A cold, dry desert, unlike anything on Earth. But how did Mars become this lifeless world?
Billions of years ago, Mars may have had water and a thicker atmosphere.
But something went terribly wrong. Mars lost its magnetic field, leaving it exposed to space. Solar winds slowly stripped away its atmosphere. And with it, the possibility of breathable air. Today, Mars is mostly carbon dioxide, over 95%.
A gas that humans cannot use to survive.
Now imagine this if you tried to take just one breath. That breath would not save you. It would accelerate your collapse. Your brain needs constant oxygen. Without it, it shuts down in seconds. Within 10 seconds, you would lose consciousness completely.
And without immediate oxygen, survival becomes impossible.
Now compare that to Earth, where life thrives effortlessly. Every breath you take on Earth is perfectly balanced.
Mars offers no such balance, only extremes.
Extreme cold, dropping below -60 degrees Celsius.
Extreme radiation constantly hitting the surface.
And almost no air pressure to protect your body.
So can humans ever survive here? The answer is yes, but only with technology.
Without protection, Mars is deadly. But with innovation, it becomes survivable. Scientists are designing habitats to create artificial atmospheres.
These structures would maintain pressure and breathable oxygen.
Spacesuits would act as your personal life support system,
providing oxygen temperature control and protection from radiation. But even with all this, Mars is still not Earth.
Gravity here is only 38% of Earth's.
Your body would slowly change over time. Muscles weaken, and bones lose density.
Even growing food would be a challenge.
Every drop of water, every breath must be carefully controlled.
So could you breathe on Mars, even for a few seconds?
Yes, but only once.
Because that single breath could be your last. Mars doesn't forgive mistakes. It challenges everything we know about survival.
Yet it also inspires us to explore beyond our limits.
Because the question isn't just survival, it's evolution. And one day, Mars might not be a place we visit, but a place we call home.